natural English phrases you should use instead. Instead of saying sorry, say my apologies. It sounds more polite and more professional. When you make a small mistake, say I didn't mean to. This sounds more sincere and more natural. You can also say I apologize. It's clear, formal, and respectful. Instead of saying sorry for the delay, say thank you for waiting. This turns a negative moment into a positive one. When you need someone's attention, say excuse me. It's polite and correct in any situation. When you didn't hear someone clearly, say pardon me. It sounds more polite than sorry. When someone tells you something difficult, say I understand. It is more supportive and more comforting than saying sorry. Here are better phrases instead of sorry. My apologies. I didn't mean to. I apologize. Thank you for waiting. Excuse me. Pardon me. And I understand. Subscribe for daily English upgrades. Keep learning with me. Watch the next video now.